Unveiling the Vision. Understanding, picture it. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that paints images with words, picture it. This fascinating phrase is not just about photography or art. It's a vivid part of English that brings ideas to life. So, let's embark on this journey together to grasp its meaning and use it like a native speaker. Picture it is a phrase that invites someone to imagine or visualize a scenario or situation in their mind. It's like asking someone to use their mind's eye to create an image or a scene. When you tell someone to picture it, you are leading them into an imaginary experience where they can see your ideas or stories unfold in their head. Imagine you're sharing a story about a place you visited. You might say, picture it, a vast, sunlit valley with the most vibrant colors you can imagine. This phrase helps the listener create a mental image and feel more connected to your description. In everyday conversation, picture it can be used to set the scene for a narrative, help someone understand a concept by visualizing it, emphasize the possibility of a future event or situation. Let's explore how picture it works in various contexts. Storytelling. Picture it, Sicily, 1922. This iconic line from the television show The Golden Girls instantly sets the historical and geographical context for a story. Educational settings. A teacher might say, picture it, the Earth, over 4 billion years ago, to encourage students to imagine the early stages of our planet. Sales and business. In a presentation, you might hear, picture it, your life made easier with our new app, suggesting that the audience visualize the benefits of a product. Picture it can also be a powerful tool in goal setting and motivation. By visualizing the outcome, like picturing yourself succeeding in a job interview, you can create a positive mindset and enhance your motivation. There you have it. Picture it is a versatile phrase that adds color and imagination to our conversations. It allows us to transport our listeners to different times, places, and possibilities. Keep practicing it, and soon you'll be painting vivid pictures with your words that captivate and inspire. Until our next lesson, keep picturing your success in English language learning.